guys, welcome back. I'm Molly from Bell Farms. Okay, I'm going to talk a little bit about that building that you heard me mention in that past video. All right, behind me is our new building. Just getting delivered today. We've got to get everything unloaded. Just trying to evaluate what's going to be the best mode of action to take it off the truck here. So this is going to be 40 by 80. So it's a pretty big building for us. This building is made by Toro Steel, and it is similar to the company Future Buildings. I believe they're working together. They're like kind of the same company of the Quonset that we built over last winter. That project went really well, so we decided to go with another building from them. All right, welcome back everybody. I'm Molly from Bell Farms. So things are happening. Shane and Pat are down here early in the morning and they've got the building started. Since I give you guys a building update. A lot's been going on, but I've been focusing on irrigation and doing stuff like that. So what I'm going to do in today's video is I'm going to show you what has been happening from day 2 of the build to today. Okay, so this one done already, almost done with this one, and this is what we had done yesterday, and it's only 7:30, so making good progress today. I think less people is better. All right, we're back on the next day. So we're over here at the building to start out. I've been doing lots of stuff this morning, but none of it is actually farm work. I'm going to show you guys where we're at with this building. Now this is going to be awesome. It really is. So I hope you have enjoyed this building update. This is going to be it for a little while. Then I'm probably going to wait until we have a lot more done to show you guys, and we'll pick back up with farming stuff. And I will see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching.